The present civilization is animal civilization. They do not know anything beyond eating, sleeping, mating and depending. That's all. This is animal civilization. The animal does not know beyond these four principles of life. Eating, sleeping, mating and depending. That's all. No, human life is meant for something else. What I am, what is God, what is my relation with God, what is this material world, why I am here, where I have to go next. So many things one has to learn. Athāta Brahma Jigyāsa. This is human life. Not that eat and sleep and have sex life and die someday like cats and dogs.